Gutter companies lose a lot of time when scheduling, estimating, and following up on jobs are handled through phone calls, spreadsheets, and scattered notes instead of one system built for field service work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually works for gutter businesses, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you book seasonal cleanings, manage crews, and handle repeat maintenance work. Most gutter companies don't need complex software. They need fast scheduling, accurate estimates, crew dispatching, and simple invoicing that gets sent right after the job is done. Field service software fits this industry best because it's designed for businesses that move from property to property and need real-time coordination between office staff and field crews. Estimating is one of the most important features. Gutter work is often priced based on property size, debris level, and access difficulty, so software that helps create fast, repeatable estimates saves time on every quote. Scheduling and dispatching matter just as much. Good software lets you assign crews to jobs, adjust schedules quickly, and keep everyone updated without constant phone calls. Route efficiency is another key factor. Gutter companies often group jobs by neighborhood, especially during peak seasons, so tools that help organize routes reduce travel time and increase the number of jobs completed per day. Customer management is also important because many gutter services are repeat work. Software that stores service history helps you track when a property was last cleaned and when it needs attention again. Automated reminders can help bring in repeat business. Many systems can notify customers when it's time for seasonal cleaning, which reduces the need for manual follow-ups. Invoicing is another critical step. The best systems let crews send invoices immediately after completing a job, which speeds up payment collection and reduces admin delays. Mobile access is essential because crews need to view job details, upload photos, and mark jobs complete directly from the field. Some platforms also include photo documentation tools, which are useful for showing before and after conditions, especially for clogged or damaged gutters. When comparing software options, the main difference is usually between lightweight tools and full field service platforms. Lightweight tools are easier to set up, while full platforms offer more automation for scheduling, routing, and customer communication. The right choice depends on how many jobs you handle per week. Smaller gutter companies often prioritize simplicity. Larger teams benefit more from automation and dispatch optimization. A practical next step is to review how much time you currently spend coordinating crews versus actually completing jobs. If coordination is taking too much time, better scheduling and dispatch features should be your priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.